Okay, I am trying to create or upcycle this blazer, this oversized men blazer, and I want to crop it. And I want to crop it here, right up under this button. And then this part here, I want to try to make like a waist belt. I saw this online, so I'm going to see if I can actually do it. Okay, I was able to cut right up under this first button because it's two buttons. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to cut the sleeve to make it shorter. I'm trying to decide if I want to do that because the ones that I've been seeing online, they have the sleeves long, but I think I want mine to be a little more me with my style personality and cut the sleeves. And I know it's going to fray a little bit because I'm not a sewer, so I can't hem it. But let's see how it looks. All right, before I finish the jacket, this is how it looked once I cut the long part of the jacket or the coat. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sleeves, maybe like right here, just at the same length as the crop. The only thing is I noticed the lining is loose like that, and because I don't sew, which I'm gonna be taking up a sewing class with Tidy, T-I-D, I think that's how you pronounce her name, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut the sleeves at the length of the jacket. And then what I'll probably do with the hem, I think I'm gonna do some fabric glue. Hopefully it doesn't go through. If not, I'm just gonna leave it like that and just iron it up real nice. Cause I like how it did that little curve in the back. All right, let me finish. All right, so I cut the sleeves at the length of the crop jacket. And now what I'm gonna do, because the hem on this is also loose as well, but I'm okay with that. I don't even care if it frays a little bit. I actually want it to. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try to iron it up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my brooches and some other embellishment on the jacket. Okay, so I placed the brooches on the blazer. I just wanted to broach it out. And then here, the pocket. This is a pocket. So this is, I have the dolphin jumping out of the pocket. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Now, what I was thinking about doing with the sleeve from the coat, I was thinking about putting it on the end of my jeans. And my husband thought that was so funny, but it's just ideas. So we'll see. Let me finish it up so I can show you guys the finishing look. Okay, I'm finished. This is as good as it's gonna get. So I ended up cutting a lot of the lining, and I straightened as much as I could possibly straighten it out. Like I said, I don't care about the fraying from the cut because I'm not trying to hem it. And I ironed it, I pressed it as much as I could. This is like some shoulder padding in there. But I did the brooches. I have them all in place. And now I'm going to style it completely. All right, this is what I did, everybody. This is the complete look. She always want to get in the camera. This is the complete look of the coat that I cut. It was down here because this is a men's oversized coat. So you can see I cut the sleeve so that way I can have the shirt underneath it to hang down, and I broached it out, and then the top I have on is a men's top. And what I did was I tied the not tied, I buttoned the shirt around my neck to bring the collar down like this. This is it, guys. Let me show you back. Very simple, okay? I didn't do any sewing because I can't sew yet. I'm learning though. All right. Tell me what you think. Be honest. I'm gonna take a picture so you can see it close up. Be honest, be honest. All right. So if you see me out and about with this on, you're gonna say, "Oh, that's the outfit Sonny made." Well, just the coat, not the pants. All right. Toodles.